Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do a transfer from Revolut to Ing Bank in few simple steps. So just open up your Revolut bank app, and what you'll need to do is go right here where it says payments. So go right here, and then you'll see that you'll get this new payment called page, and then what you'll need to do is select do you want to send to the bank or international. So if you're international and not in Belgium, select on international right here, and if you're in Belgium, just use bank. So let's go right here. So right here you need to enter Belgium, so it will be automatically set to Belgium, I guess. And right here where it says IBAN, just put your IBAN, first name, last name, and etc. And that's how you do a transfer from Revolut to Ing Bank. So that's pretty much it. See you in the next one.